Planning to stay in Tokyo for 5 days? Here's why I choose Asakusa and why it might be the smartest place to stay. Not just vibes, I'll show you my real numbers and actual experiences. Number 1, affordability. Asakusa is easily 20 to 40% cheaper than areas like Shibuya or Ginza. But here's my real experience. I only spent 70 Canadian dollars per night for my stay in Tokyo. It was a shared room, but it was clean, comfortable, and honestly worth it. In places like Shibuya, the same budget is really hard to find. So if you want to save money and still stay in Tokyo, Asakusa just makes sense. Number 2, Asakusa has completely different vibe compared to the rest of Tokyo. It feels more traditional and relaxed. You got small local shops, quiet streets, and more authentic atmosphere. And fun fact, around 30 million people visit Sensoji Temple every year, making it one of the most popular spots in Japan. But just a few streets away, it's calmer and peaceful. Number 3, away from the noise. Tokyo can get overwhelming, especially in places like Shibuya. Shibuya Crossing alone can see up to 2.4 million people a day. But in Asakusa, it's way more relaxed. At night, it's quiet. Perfect when you just want to rest after a long day of exploring. Number 4, accessible tourist spots. Asakusa is actually very well connected. Within 10 to 20 minutes by train, you can reach Ueno, Akihabara, Tokyo Skytree, and Ginza. Also, you can even get to Narita Airport in about 1 hour. So you're not far from anything, you're just staying somewhere smarter. Number 5, close to key attractions plus kimono shops. You're also super close to major attraction. Sensoji Temple is right there in Asakusa, as I said earlier. Tokyo Skytree is only about 15 minutes away. And the Sumida River is perfect for a river walk. Plus, this one is one of my favorite parts. Asakusa has over 50 kimono rental shops. You'll see people walking around in kimono everywhere. You can rent around for about 3,000 to 6,000 yen. That is roughly about 30 to 60 Canadian dollars. It really makes the whole experience feel more special. So, if you're planning to your trip to Tokyo, don't overlook Asakusa. It's affordable, peaceful, and still close to everything. For me, spending $70 a night in Tokyo and still having this experience, totally worth it. Would you stay in Asakusa or pick somewhere like Shibuya instead? Let me know in the comment. This is Eddie. Arigatou gozaimasu.